Okay, so today we're going back to Paradise Falls. We went to this last year and we didn't make it down to the falls, so we're gonna make it down there today. So we're at the parking area right now, getting ready to head out at the trailhead, and we're gonna go see Paradise Falls and 4 or 5 other falls today. So hang on. Alright, we're following a trail through the woods down here to the first waterfall. And somebody was nice enough to put up some orange streamers, so that helps because this trail is not easy to follow. Pink trail markers all along here, so it makes it a little easier to follow. I like the way we came in better.
That's the reason maybe you did the best way. That looks unbelievable.
So we're back at the trailhead, and you may hear some traffic going by, but we like to, when we get back to the trailhead, sit up here and just kind of relax for a little while out here in nature. And so this is going to conclude our video of Paradise Falls. And be sure and follow us on Facebook, Facebook/Lost in the Ozarks. And you can also be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time we post a video. And as always, thanks for watching.